folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I want to do a technical overview for you guys on the MBS Magnum. I'm in Serbia today in their showroom and I wanted to go ahead and show you guys a variety of models. I don't have any videos on the Magnum stoves yet, but I've had a lot of requests for them, so here we are. This model is going to be shown in the white color. This model is going to be available in a variety of colors. We can order it in white, cream, black, red, or burgundy. You can order a right or a left-hand flue. The flue will always be located directly above the oven, okay? So this is going to be a right-hand flue model, which means the firebox will be on the left-hand side. The models are going to have these black handles on them. Some of the older photos showed wood handles, so I want to clarify that. This is definitely what the handle looks like. They're going to have cast iron doors on the unit. The doors are going to be fully gasketed. The firebox is fully cast iron lined. Now, one thing I do want to point out about the oven is that it does come standard with one of these kind of enamel pans. If you want a wire rack, then we will need to order that separately, so please ask for that at your time of order. Your damper controls are going to be located directly below the firebox. I have videos, other models on this, and I discuss the coal and the combustion air. To burn coal, your combustion air always has to come from underneath the stove, but I always say even when burning wood, it makes it much easier to get your fire started. Below the firebox is going to be your ash pan. Directly below your oven is going to be your oven clean out, and then this is just going to be a simple pan drawer, which could also be used for log storage as well. So I will take you guys up close inside the firebox and inside the oven as well. This model is going to be more of a radiant model stove because it doesn't have the air gap that I showed on the Olympia. The new MBS model that we're discussing bringing for 2023 and 2024 would have that convection airspace, so that's kind of going to be a difference between the new model that we're looking at bringing. I want to show you guys this cook surface up top right here. Inside the oven, we do have that nice enamel lining. Here's going to be your pan. Full gasketing on the doors. Inside the firebox, this is going to be the firebox on the regular Magnum, not the Hydro. Cast iron lining on each side. The rear, this is your cast iron grate. And then the top of the stove right there is actually going to give you direct access to this removable lid right here, which can be used for wok style cooking. If you guys find these videos helpful, don't forget, give us a quick little thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.